Nokia 9 is an upcoming smartphone by Nokia. The phone is rumored to come with a 5.5-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2560 pixels. For display protection, Nokia used Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The Nokia 9 is expected to be powered by quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor and come with 4 GB of RAM. The phone is rumored to pack 64 GB of 128 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Nokia 9 is rumored to pack a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 12-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Nokia 9 is rumored to run Android 8.0 and be powered by a 3800 mAh non-removable battery.